morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is V.R. Anjani. I am studying 5th standard in F section from Vani Vidyalaya Senior Secondary and Junior College. Today, I am going to tell a clever and thoughtful story about the wise parrot. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a rich merchant who owned a clever and talkative parrot that could speak wisely and gave good advice. The merchant's jealous neighbor had a loud but foolish parrot. One day, the neighbor showed off his parrot to the king, who then wanted to meet the merchant's parrot. The wise parrot answered all the questions thoughtfully. The king asked, "What is the truth, little bird?" "A single word of truth is better than 1,000 times of empty promises," responded the parrot. "Truth is what helps without hurting, speaks without pride, and guides without greed." The king was astonished and asked more questions about various topics like pride, wisdom, kingdom, and even kindness. The wise parrot answered all the questions thoughtfully every time. The king was very impressed by the parrot and made the parrot as his royal advisor and rewarded the merchant with several gold coins. The king told to the neighbor that your parrot only repeats what one tells, but the merchant parrot tells what it knows. The moral of the story is a true wisdom and a thoughtful speech is more valuable than loud or flashy words. Thank you.